Hello everyone. Today I am discussing about types of subquery. Subquery. For example, subquery. We will define subquery. Subquery is a query which is written inside another query. Okay, it is subquery which is written inside another query. There are two types of There are two types of subquery. They are single row subquery, multi row subquery. So, single row subquery is a subquery which returns exactly one output is known as a single row subquery. We can use operations such as in, not in. For example, if we are doing some operations, for example, it will give some salary. It will give exactly one output as 1,000. For example, if it give only one output as 1,000 to the another query, output one query, after that it will also give one output, so then it is known as a single row subquery because it is giving only single output. We can use operations such as in, not in. So here we have to use in and not in, and we can for example, we will write where sal in Salin Laila and Salin Laila, comma Leela. So in this query we will write in operator. We can also write Sal equals to Laila and Sal equals to Leela. It is can be used. It is also can be used, but most of them we will write this one. It is more useful. And most up to this we will use only queries are single row subquery because all are giving only single row input. In earlier we are discussed all the above our single row subquery because it will give only single output which will be compared with the outer query. So now onwards we will discuss about multi row subquery also. Here we should use in, not in. We will discuss some query. Write a query to display ename earning more than Scott. So here we can write as select sal from EMB where ename equals to Scott. Here we know about the Scott salary. It is a case one where we have unknown values. So here we get the Scott of salary of Scott. Then it will be compared with the salary of all the employees in the employee table. Their names will be displayed here. And another type, it is a second type of subquery, that is a multi-row subquery. A subquery which returns more than one output is known as a multi-row subquery. We must use operators such as all, any. I said here, if we get one, from here we will get only one output. Then it is called single row subquery. Here we will get more than one output, means 2 or 2, 3, 4, 5, so that we can get it. So it will called as a multi-row subquery because we are getting more than one subquery. And here we will use all, any operators. So all operator is a special operator which can accept multiple values at RHS. It will return true only if all the condition at the RHS is satisfied. Syntax: column name or expression, relational operator, all, v1, v2, so on, vn. So here we will use with the help we can use all operator with the help of relational operator. Relational operator are less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to are relational operators. So here all operator is a special operator. So it is a special operator. It will accept the RHS values. And if the all the conditions, for example here we have 30 greater than all of 10, 20, 30. So here we will check 10 is greater, 30 is less than 10. The answer is true, so it will be true. 20 is 30 is less than 20, So true. 30 is less than 25. True. Here all the conditions are true, so you are getting a true. So it will be used. So here column name or expression. Here I am using expression and a relational operator greater than all. It is a keyword. Okay. And v1, v2, so on, vn are the values. So here I am using 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 25. For example, let's discuss about some example. Here we have some employee table, emp, ename, job, salary. So here are the details. So here we want to write a query to display the employee names who is earning salary more than all the salesmen. So here we want to get who is earning salary more than the salesman, but all the salesmen. So here we have in first we can observe that job salesman is more than one query. So it will give more than one output. So we can understand that it is a multi-row subquery. So for example, if we want to write a example query, then here we want first we want to know about salary of salesman. So select sal from emp where job equals to salesman. Here we will get the salary of salesman. Select ename from emp where sal greater than, if we keep this we can get as who are salary salesman salary who are greater employees who getting the salary more than the salesman we can get. But here it will giving more than one output because we can have salesman as 1 2 3. It will give three outputs, so it can't be checked with a so it can't be done with a single row subquery. So we have to use a multi-row subquery. So here how it will be processed as greater than all syntax for this. So expression name, relational operator, all keyword, and values. We will get the values from this. So it will be checked like this. So here we will get a salary of a salesman 1000 and 2000 and 3000. These three are the values. So the values of all will be compared. So 1000 1000 greater than 1000 condition gets true because one condition gets false, so it is rejected. And 2000 greater than it will check all 1000 greater than 1000 greater than 2000 1000 greater than 3000. It will check all this. So it is not satisfied, it will be rejected. And 2000 greater than 1000 condition satisfied. 2000 greater than 2000 condition gets rejected. And 2000 greater than 3000 condition gets rejected. So it is rejected. 2500 greater than 1000 accepted. 2500 greater than 2000 accepted. 2500 greater than 3000 accepted. So this value will be accepted and it will be continued. All the values will be checked like this. So we will get the output as a 2500 3000. It is one way. So we can have another method also, as we discussed earlier, that multi-row function, which is also known as a group function or aggregate function. From this we can also use we can also write this query. So in multi-row function we have 5 functions which are max, min, average, sum and count. So from this we can use max because we want to get all the employees having we will check compare with the salaries of all the employees with the salary of salesman who is earning more than the salesman. We want to check, so highest of salesman, if we find it, then we can compare with all the salaries of the salesman. So we can write as a where sal greater than, select max of sal from emp where job equals to salesman. Here we will get the salesman maximum salary. If we have 3 salaries also, from those we will get the one maximum salary and that will be compared with all the salaries. Here we get the 2000 will be compared with all the employee salaries. all the employee salaries, it will be compared, which one is condition gets true, then it will be executed. But it is not suggested to use, we have to use multi-row subquery by using any function, by using all function. Here we will discuss about any operator. Any operator is a special operator which can accept multiple values at RHS. It will return true if any one of the condition at the RHS is satisfied. In any in all the conditions, if 10, 20, 30, if all the conditions are 25, if all the conditions are satisfied, then only we can get that output as true. In any, if one also true, then it can be accepted. So it can accept multiple values at RHS, and it can satisfy, if any one of the condition at the RHS is satisfied, then it can return true. So syntax for it is syntax, column name or expression, relational operator, any of v1, v2, so on, vn, semicolon. So here we will discuss about some example. Example 30 greater than any of 10, 20, 40. Here we will it will be checked with 30 greater than 10. Condition gets true. 30 greater than 20. Condition gets true. 30 greater than 40. The condition gets false. So here we will write as false. But here we are getting one true. We can written as a true. The condition gets true. We will discuss with some example. Write a query to display ename who are earning more than any of the salesmen. So here we can know that any is a keyword. We can write we can use any keyword. So this is a hint. So here we will write as select sal from EMP where job equals to salesman. Here we will get the job of salesman salary, and it will be compared with select ename from EMP where salary greater than any. So if you get multiple values also, we will compare with this salary, and who are earning more than this employee salary, that can be their names will be displayed. Or we can use from above I said that we can use a multi-row function. So select min of sal. So here we can get as only one minimum salary, who are earning more than them can be displayed. So another query is write a query to display details of the employees hide after all the clerks. So here we want to know about the clerks hide details of the employees who are hide after all the clerks. So select asterisk from EMP where hide data. So here we want to get after, so greater than. Here also one keyword is given already in the question, all. So we can use all of select hide date from EMP where job equals to clerk. So here we will get the hide date of clerk. It will be compared with all the hide dates of the employees. Those who are hide after their details will be displayed. Write a query to display name and salary for the employees if they are earning less than at least a manager. So here we want to know about the name and salary. First we want to know about the salary of manager. So we will write a query select salary from EMP where job equals to manager. Here we will get the salary of manager. Here we have given at least. So any one condition will be true, then it will be accepted. So any one condition will be true means we can use any condition, any keyword. So we want less than, so less than. So here we want to display name and salary. Select ename comma sal from EMP where salary, so that we can compare with all the salaries of the employees with the manager salary, which are less than, we can display it. Write a query to display names of the employees hired after all the managers and earning salary more than all the clerks. So here we can display as select ename from EMP where hide date. So here we want after, so greater than all the managers, so greater than all of select hire date from EMP where job equals to manager. So here we will get the hire date of manager. It will be compared with all the hire data. But we have one more condition, ending salary more than all the clerks. So here we unknown is a clerk's salary. So select salary from EMP where job equals to clerk. And we will compare with a salary and a salary. Here we both the conditions will be taken, and that condition will be taken with the high date. Here it will be the clerk's salary who is greater than clerk's salary. Those salaries will be taken. Those high date who is working as manager, it will be taken in that manager who is high date greater than, those will be taken here, and those e-name will be displayed. Write a query to display department names of the employees with the name Smith or King or Miller. So here it is given that it is not given all or any keywords also, and it is also not asked about any multi-row function or multi-row subquery. So we can write answer a direct. So select D name. So department name. So select D name from department where department number in select department number from EMP where E name in Smith, King or Miller. So here we will get the so here we have not a common we have only one common column in a department table and employee table is department number. So we will write a query in this Smith, King, Miller department number will be displayed. It will be compared with the department number, and those department number department names will be displayed. Write a query to display name and hire date of employees. Hide before all the managers. So here we want to know about name and hire date. So select ename comma hire date from EMP where hire date less than. So here we want all. So all of select hire date from EMP where job equals to manager. So here we will get the hire date of manager. It will be compared with all the hire dates of employees less than means before who are joined. Those details will be displayed ename and salary. So we will get the ename and hide data. We will be displayed all the salary all the employees who are getting hide data less than who are hired before manager. Those ename and hide date will be displayed. Thank you.